Hi Govator, my name is Nick Morgenstern. I'm a pastry chef in New York City. I have an ice cream shop called Morgenstern's Finest Ice Cream, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make a hot tin roof ice cream sundae at home. Of course, you're going to need ice cream, vanilla. This is our Madagascar vanilla, made with Madagascar vanilla beans. I love Haagen-Dazs for a good basic vanilla ice cream. You're going to need some hot fudge. Hershey's will work. We sell hot fudge at morgensternsnyc.com. You're gonna need some whipping cream, a little bit of sugar. I like powdered sugar for my whipped cream. You need some chopped peanuts. These are Spanish red skin peanuts from Picoso's in San Antonio, Texas. And then of course, not a sundae without a cherry on top. I like maraschinos. I love it with the stem. You can buy those online as well. So that's it for the ingredients. As far as equipment is concerned, I really like to serve the sundae in a glass. This is like a footed goblet, which is what I serve it in the store. And if you don't want to do it in a glass, you can do it in a bowl. I think a glass is nice because you can see all the layers and we start eating with our eyes first. I'm going to show you guys how to make whipped cream in a plastic soup container like this. Any kind of container that'll close and isn't going to splash is going to work, but you want to be able to grab it so that you can shake it. I like an ice cream scoop. If you guys are wondering about an ice cream scoop, this is a Zero, made in America. They've been around for 80 years. It's the scoop that I use in the shop. They work fantastic. Again, you can get them online. They're available. We're going to start off by making some whipped cream. This is a trick that I love for making smooth, creamy whipped cream at home. Doesn't take that long. A little bit of powdered sugar. I'd say for this I'm gonna do about a teaspoon in the container, and then you're gonna do about a half a cup in here, and I'd say that it's about a half a cup of whipped cream for one sundae. You're just gonna shake it like this, back and forth, and you're gonna notice while you're doing it that it's gonna get thicker and you're gonna hear less sound from the cream whipping around inside there. Just don't over whip it. You can always stop, take a peek inside. Should be like really soft and smooth and creamy. When you think it's done, just pull it back and you can see inside there. It should be kind of saucy and soft like that. You can always close the lid and shake it more, but you can't go backwards, so check it while you're doing it. Once the cream is whipped, you can put that to the side, and now we're gonna start putting our sundae together. So for a hot fudge sundae, hot tin roof, you gotta have hot fudge. So you can do this in the microwave, which is fine. I prefer to do it over a double boiler, which I just have a little pot that's got some steaming water here, not too hot, and then I've got a bowl that's gonna sit on top. It's not gonna take long to warm this up, and I know we call it hot fudge, but it really should be more like really warm fudge. If the fudge is too hot, it's gonna really melt the ice cream, and I think it gets too liquid and you could burn it, which obviously is gonna be no good. So I just put it in a bowl like this, and I like it this way because you can leave it over the hot water and it'll stay warm if you're building more than one sundae, or more importantly, if you wanna go back and add more fudge after you've eaten halfway through your sundae. So once it's nice and liquid and it's warmed up, I like to take a nice spoonful and just drizzle it inside the glass. And I like to put 2 scoops for something like this. I think that your portion and your ratio is important for something like this. And I like for the ice cream to just come up just to the top of the glass, like that. So my whipped cream is just a little soft. Just a quick shake. Now we've built it up a little bit. Another little drizzle of fudge on top. Don't go crazy. I like to have a tray with paper for this step, which is when I'm putting the nuts on, because you're gonna make a mess. The nuts are gonna go all over the place, but you really wanna just coat basically every remaining surface with nuts. So turn your glass around. You want lots of this salty crunch. It really balances with the whipped cream and the fudge. Now, cherry on top. Hot tin roof. It's an American classic. I think anywhere in the world, when you see this sundae with the cherry on top, you know it's American and you know it's delicious. I'm gonna take a little bite. Nothing makes me feel the way a hot fudge sundae does. Hot fudge crunchy, salty peanuts, soft whipped cream, and cold ice cream inside. I hope you guys enjoy making this at home. Cheers.